It is just a two-step process to fix microphone not working on Windows. In the first step, go to search bar and type command prompt. Now right click here and select run as administrator. Then select S. It will open command prompt. Now type these commands carefully. Type prompt and hit enter. Then type sfc/scan file equal to c:/Windows/system32/ieframe.dll and then hit enter. After that, you have to type sfc/verify file equal to c:/Windows/system32/ieframe.dll and hit enter. Then type ASSOC and hit enter. Now type chkdsk and hit enter. It will take some time to complete its process, so wait for some time. After that, you have to type sfc space scan now and hit enter. And finally type exit to close the command prompt. In the next step, go to start icon, then click on settings. On this window, select privacy. Now select microphone and simply just turn on this option. Okay, again close this window. In the last step, go to search bar and type control panel. Click here to open it. On this window, click on hardware and sound. Then select sound option. To enable the speakers, just go on desktop and right click on this icon and select troubleshoot sound problems. It will take some time to detect the problems. Okay, now close this window. You can see the speakers are enabled. Now select it and click on properties. On this window, go to levels tab, then increase the value to the maximum and click on OK. Now click on OK and close all windows one by one. That's it guys, your problem will be solved, you're good to go.